Hey everybody, it's I Love Fish, the 760 here with a small bird haul. Only 4 things, but they're for Paige, which is what I decided to name the bird. She is still pretty timid, but she has been getting better. But yeah, so let's get on with the haul. So I got Great Choice food for small birds. So it's pretty much a seed mixture. It's for canaries, finches, parakeets, and other small birds. Some of the ingredients are canary grass seed, white proso millet, yellow millet, red millet, oat groats, thistle seed, rapeseed, flaxseed, wheat middlings, maize grain ground, maize gluten, meal, dehulled soybean meal, soybean oil, and just some other stuff that I'm not really gonna go on. Oyster shell. But yeah, it's just a whole bunch of small seeds. And I know this probably isn't the best food, but I'm gonna be giving her some sunflower seeds and some more thistle seed and stuff. So that's that. The next thing is I got a pretty good sized bag of spray millet from Great Choice, and the only ingredient is natural millet sprays, so it's all natural and it's all millet, nothing added. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot the prices. I don't have the receipt. Alright, well this was like $4 something, I think, and I know that this is like $5. The next thing is this Super Pet Nature's Nest for finches. Oh, there's a little Paige. Is something bothering you, Paige? I thought it would be bigger, so I'm kind of disappointed, but if she doesn't go in it, then I'm just going to take it back. But I thought it would be, Paige, I thought it would be nice for her to have if she wanted to go in a nest. So it's pretty small, but it's bamboo. So yeah, I can always take this back, and this was like $5.49 or something like that. And then the last thing is this seed and water filter for small to medium birds. I'm going to put her seed in it. Oliver. I'm going to put her new seed in it. And then that was like $1.99. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, like, favorite, and subscribe. And I also take video requests, so you can leave those down below. So I just scared her. Once again, this is Paige. So I hope you guys liked the video. Bye-bye.